Hey there, future Pythonistas! Welcome to Wealthwise by Bright Dawn. I'm so excited you're here, ready to dive into the amazing world of Python programming. Don't worry if you're brand new to this. Learning Python is like learning a new language. It can open up a world of possibilities, and it's much easier than you might think. Let's get started and make learning Python fun and exciting. Over the next 30 days, we'll break down this journey into bite-sized pieces. It will be easy to digest and even easier to apply. Are you ready? Let's do this. Why Python, you ask? Great question. Python is super popular for a reason. It's like the Beyoncé of programming languages. Powerful, elegant, and everyone wants to work with it. Python is incredibly versatile. You can use it for almost anything. Websites, data analysis, even artificial intelligence. Plus, Python is known for being super beginner-friendly. Its syntax, which is just the way it's written, reads like plain English, making it a breeze to learn and understand. No more head-scratching over cryptic symbols. Python keeps it clean, simple, and fun. Before we jump into coding like pros, let's make sure you have everything you need. Good news, you don't need any fancy equipment or expensive software. All you need is a computer with an internet connection. We'll be using awesome, completely free resources to learn and practice Python. Download Python by heading over to the official Python website at python.org and grabbing the latest version for your operating system, whether that's Windows, macOS, or Linux. Don't worry, the installation process is straightforward. Next up, pick your code editor. Think of a code editor as your digital notepad for writing Python code. There are loads of great free options out there. I recommend starting with Visual Studio Code or VS Code. It's user-friendly and has tons of helpful features. That's it. You're all set to embark on your Python adventure. This week is all about getting comfortable with the basics of Python. Whether you're brand new to programming or just brushing up on your skills, you're in the right place. Python is one of the most popular and beginner-friendly programming languages out there, and by the end of this week, you'll see why so many people love it. Think of it as laying the foundation for your coding skills. Just like building a house, you need a strong base before you can create something amazing. This week, we'll take it step by step, making sure you understand each concept before moving on. Here are your daily actions, small, manageable tasks that will help you build confidence and momentum as you learn. Day 1, Introduction to Python. We'll start by exploring what Python is, where it's used, and why it's such a powerful tool for beginners and professionals alike. What is Python exactly, and what makes it so special? You'll discover how Python powers everything from web apps to artificial intelligence, and why its simple syntax makes it a favorite for first-time coders. We'll cover that and more, setting the stage for your journey into programming. Day 2, Setting up your Python playground. You'll prepare your workspace, making sure you have everything you need to start coding comfortably. Download and install Python and VS Code, two essential tools for your coding adventure. We'll walk you through the process, so don't worry if it's your first time. Get ready to write some code. Day 3, Hello World. Every programmer's first program. This is your first real taste of coding, and it's a tradition in the programming world. You'll learn how to display Hello World on your screen using Python. It might seem simple, but it's a huge milestone and the first step to building bigger things. It's a small step for you, but a giant leap into the world of coding. Celebrate this achievement. You're officially a coder now. Day 4, Variables and data types. You'll learn how to store information in your programs and understand the different types of data you can work with. Think of these as labeled containers for your data. Variables help you keep track of information, and data types tell Python what kind of information you're working with. We'll explore different types of data in Python, like numbers, text, and more. Understanding these basics will make your future programs much more powerful. Day 5, Operators, doing the math. You'll see how Python can help you solve math problems, from simple addition to more complex calculations. Learn how to perform mathematical operations in Python. You'll use operators to add, subtract, multiply, and divide, just like you would on a calculator. Get ready to add, subtract, multiply, and divide like a pro. These skills are the building blocks for more advanced programming down the road. Day 6, Input, talking to Python. You'll learn how to make your programs interactive by getting information from the user. Learn how to get input from the user and make your programs interactive. This is where your code starts to feel alive, responding to what you type. And Day 7, Weekend Project, your first simple Python program. You'll put everything you've learned into practice by building a small project from scratch. Put your newfound knowledge into practice by creating a simple program. This is your chance to experiment, make mistakes, and learn by doing. Don't worry, we'll guide you through it. Congratulations! You've taken your first steps into the world of programming, and that's something to be proud of. You've completed your first week of learning Python. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, and you're well on your way. Celebrate your progress, and let's move on to week 2. The journey has just begun, and there's so much more to discover. Get ready to level up your Python game. This week, we'll dive into more interesting concepts like conditional statements and loops, which allow your programs to make decisions and repeat actions. For day 8, you'll learn how to make your programs behave differently based on certain conditions with if statements. On day 9, you'll explore even more complex decision-making scenarios in Python using else and elif for more decision-making power. Day 10 is all about repeating actions made easy with for loops, so you'll learn how to use them to iterate over sequences of data. Then, on day 11, we'll cover while loops, which repeat code as long as a certain condition is true. It's just another way to loop. On day 12, you'll discover how to store multiple items in a single variable using lists. And for day 13, you'll learn how to access, modify, add, and remove elements from those lists. Finally, on day 14, it's time to put your skills to the test with a weekend project. You'll create an interactive number guessing game using loops and conditional statements. You're doing amazing! Keep that momentum going as we head into week 3. This is where things get really exciting. You've already built a solid foundation, and now it's time to start creating projects that you can actually use and show off. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your code come to life, solving real problems, and making your daily tasks easier or more fun. This week, we'll explore functions, which are like reusable blocks of code that help you avoid repeating yourself. Functions make your programs cleaner, easier to read, and much simpler to debug. You'll see how breaking your code into smaller pieces can make even big projects feel manageable. And then there are dictionaries, a powerful way to store and organize data using key-value pairs. Think of them as mini databases inside your program, perfect for keeping track of information like user profiles, settings, or even game scores. Next, we'll dive into modules and external libraries. These are like toolkits created by other programmers that you can plug right into your own projects. With just a few lines of code, you can add amazing features, like generating random numbers, doing complex math, or even working with dates and times. For day 15, you'll learn how to define and use functions to make your code more organized and efficient. You'll practice writing your own functions, calling them, and seeing how they can simplify your workflow. On day 16, you'll discover how to store and retrieve data using dictionaries. You'll experiment with adding, updating, and removing items, and see how dictionaries can help you manage complex data with ease. Day 17 is all about diving a bit deeper into functions, exploring topics like arguments, parameters, and return values. You'll learn how to make your functions flexible and powerful, so they can handle different kinds of input and give you exactly the results you need. On day 18, you'll learn how to import pre-built modules to extend Python's functionality. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities, letting you do more with less effort. On day 19, you'll expand your Python horizons by learning how to install and use external libraries like random and math. These libraries are packed with useful tools that can save you tons of time and help you build more interesting programs. Day 20 is about file handling, learning how to work with external text files in Python. You'll practice reading from and writing to files, which is a crucial skill for any real-world application, from saving user data to processing information from the web. And then, on day 21, it's time to shine with a weekend project. This is your chance to put everything you've learned into practice and see how far you've come. You'll build a simple to-do list application that allows users to add, view, and mark tasks as complete. This project will bring together your new skills with functions, dictionaries, and file handling, giving you a real sense of accomplishment. By the end of this week, you're officially a Python rockstar in the making. You'll have built something useful from scratch, and you'll be ready to tackle even bigger challenges. So let's keep pushing towards mastery in week 4. Your journey is just getting started, and the best is yet to come. In this final week of our Python Masterclass, we're diving into some of the most exciting and advanced concepts you've encountered so far. we'll be exploring object-oriented programming, a powerful way to organize and structure your code for bigger, more complex projects. You'll also learn about exception handling, which is essential for writing robust programs that can gracefully recover from unexpected errors. But that's not all. This week, we'll introduce you to the fascinating world of web scraping, where you'll learn how to collect data from websites, and you'll even get hands-on experience building simple web applications that can interact with users online. On day 22, you'll start with the basics of object-oriented programming. You'll discover how to create your own classes and objects in Python, which will help you write cleaner, more reusable code. This is a major step toward thinking like a professional developer. Day 23 takes you deeper into OOP, where you'll learn about inheritance and polymorphism, two key concepts that allow you to build more flexible and scalable programs by reusing and extending existing code. For day 24, we'll focus on exception handling. You'll see how to anticipate and manage errors, so your programs don't crash unexpectedly. This skill is crucial for building reliable software that users can trust. Day 25 is all about web scraping. You'll learn how to extract valuable data from websites using libraries like Beautiful Soup, opening up a world of possibilities for data analysis and automation. On day 26, you'll get your first taste of web development by creating a basic web application using the Flask framework. You'll see how Python can power interactive websites and bring your ideas to life on the internet. Day 27 is a chance to explore the vast Python ecosystem. We'll introduce you to other amazing libraries and tools, showing you just how versatile Python can be for everything from data science to automation and beyond. On day 28, the sky's the limit. You'll have the freedom to experiment, explore new ideas, and challenge yourself with creative coding exercises. Now it's time to choose a project that truly excites you. Use everything you've learned so far to build something unique, whether it's a game, a data analysis tool, or a web app. This is your opportunity to put your skills into practice and see how far you've come. Day 29 is dedicated to debugging. You'll learn essential techniques for finding and fixing errors in your code, making you a more confident and independent programmer. And finally, day 30. Congratulations, Python Master. You've completed an incredible journey, and your hard work has truly paid off. You did it. 30 days of dedication, learning, and problem-solving have brought you here. Be proud of your progress and celebrate your achievement. You are now well on your way to becoming a confident Python programmer, ready to tackle real-world challenges and continue your coding adventure. Remember, everyone learns at their own pace. This 30-day plan is a roadmap to guide you, but your individual results depend on your dedication and the effort you put in. Don't be afraid to adjust the pace to suit your learning style, and most importantly, have fun along the way. Subscribe, comment, share, like. I hope you enjoyed this incredible 30-day Python journey as much as I did. Now go out there and code like a champion. And don't forget to subscribe to Wealthwise by Bright Dawn for more awesome tech content. Hit that like button, leave a comment below telling us about your Python projects, and share this video with your friends. Let's spread the Python love. Happy coding!